You wake up. Your eyes are half closed. The room is quiet. For 3 seconds, your day is still yours. Then your hand moves. Not your mind. Your hand. It knows the way. Under the pillow, next to the bed, on the table. You find your phone. You open it, and the world walks into your head. Messages, news, videos, people talking, people fighting. Someone is angry. Someone is rich. Someone is traveling. Someone says everything is bad, and you are still in bed. You have not drunk water. You have not opened the window. You have not had one real thought of your own, but your mind is already full. That is the strange thing. Your day did not start with you. It started with your phone. Maybe this sounds dramatic. Maybe you think, come on, it is just my phone. I only check it for 5 minutes. But be honest, is it always 5 minutes? And even when it is 5 minutes, what kind of 5 minutes is it? 5 minutes of bad news can change your whole morning. 5 minutes of perfect people can make your normal life feel small. 5 minutes of arguments can make your body tight. 5 minutes of short videos can make silence feel boring. The phone does not only take your time, it changes the weather inside your head. You wake up calm. Then you see one message and now you are nervous. You wake up okay. Then you see someone else's life and now your life feels behind. You wake up tired. Then you see 10 problems and now your brain starts running before your feet touch the floor. The worst part is this. It feels normal. That is what makes it dangerous. Not loud dangerous, quiet dangerous, like a small leak in a room. At first you do not see it. Then one day everything feels wet. I started noticing this in myself. I would wake up, check my phone, and then feel strange. Not terrible, just heavy, busy inside. Like I had already talked to 20 people, but I had not spoken to anyone. And I thought, why am I tired already? Nothing happened yet. I just woke up. But something did happen. I gave my first thoughts to a machine full of other people's lives. We say, I check my phone. But sometimes it feels like the phone checks us. It checks what makes us stop, what makes us angry, what makes us smile, what makes us stay 1 more minute, then 10 more minutes, then 20. You watch one video and the phone learns. You stop on one picture and the phone learns. You read one angry comment and the phone learns. Little by little, it learns what keeps you there. Then it gives you more. More noise, more drama, more beautiful people, more fear, more funny things, more things you did not ask for. Your phone is not just a window. A window shows the world. Your phone is more like a mirror that learns how to hold your face. And after that, normal life has a problem. Because normal life is slow, coffee is slow, walking is slow, washing your face is slow, talking to one person is slow, work is slow, learning English is slow. Real life does not jump every 3 seconds. So after 10 minutes on the phone, a normal morning can feel empty. Not because it is empty, but because your brain just ate candy for breakfast. Then real life comes in quietly. Coffee, light, water, clothes, a chair, a normal day. And your brain says, this is not enough. But maybe it is enough. Maybe your life is not boring. Maybe your brain is just used to too much noise. I am not saying, throw your phone away. No, I use my phone too. The phone is useful, very useful. The phone is not the enemy. But maybe it should not be the boss. A phone is a tool, but many people use it like a master. It tells them when to wake up, what to think about first. And that first thought matters. The first minutes of the day are not empty minutes. Your mind is still soft, still open, still quiet. Before the noise, before work, before people, before problems. If your phone speaks first, your mind speaks second. And if this happens every day, you slowly forget what your own morning feels like. So here is the small idea. Not a big life change, not a perfect morning routine, not a dramatic digital detox, just 10 minutes. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, do not touch your phone for 10 minutes. Only 10. Drink water. Open the window. Wash your face. Make coffee. Sit for 1 minute. Look around. Let your brain arrive before the world arrives. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. How do I feel today? What do I need today? What is one thing I want to do today? That is all. Nothing fancy. No perfect notebook, no special app. Just you before the noise. Because this is English practice, say 3 simple sentences. I feel tired. I need coffee. Today I want to stay calm. Simple English. Real life. Real morning. This is how English becomes part of your day. Not only something you study, something you use when your life is actually happening. Before the world enters your head, let your own voice enter first. My morning starts with me. Go to the comments and write 1 sentence. My phone will wait. Or write, tomorrow I will wait 10 minutes. That comment is not just a comment. It is a small promise. And it is English practice. You are using English to choose your morning. That is real learning. Maybe tomorrow your phone can wait. Only 10 minutes. And maybe in those 10 minutes you will hear something strange. Not a notification, not a video, not other people's lives, your own mind. Do not let your phone start your day before you do. Keep going.